There will be wars and rumors of wars. And take note, this is actually referring to Israel. Not anywhere or anywhere else in the world. Got it? The wars and rumors of wars directly referring to Israel, not just anywhere else in the world. The wars and the conflicts in other parts of the world are not actually part of this prophetic reckoning. So meaning what Jesus said, diyan ka titingin. Sa Israel ka titingin. Of all the wars and the rumors of wars, diyan ka titingin. Okay? Many people thought that the World War I and the World War II would lead to the end of the world. Tama? But they didn't. We're still here. Okay? World War II, 1942 to 1945. Meron ng buhay dito? Wala pa. Nandito pa tayo, di ba? Okay. Israel was not involved in any of those wars. World War I, not in World War I, nor in World War II, because of the state of Israel by that time did not exist yet. Although there was a systematic persecution and extermination of the Jews in the Holocaust by the Nazi. Even if there would be a third world war, we're telling you, but, the big but and the big if, but, if, dalawa, may but na, may if pa. But, if Israel is not involved, take note, if there will be a third world war, but if Israel is not involved, the war will not lead to the end of the world. Take note of that. Jesus said constant wars and conflicts targeting Israel is the sign of the beginning.